Yo, what's up guys? This is HumbleFx and today I'm going to take you through on how to install robots or indicators on your mobile phone. Right, these days many people have a mobile phone to use robots instead of the system. So today I'm going to show you how to actually use your mobile phone to install robots, to attach robots to your MT5 or maybe indicator that you want to use on your phone. Simple as ABC. First thing first, now before we proceed, what is VPS? A VPS is a virtual private server. It is what? A virtual private server. It's like a cloud system, like a cloud, a system that is on a cloud. So it will work like it will turn your phone to like a system, but is on the cloud. Right. So now let us get to the business and you understand. First thing, you need to download this application from Play Store. Go to Play Store and download this application. I'm going to show you that. You go there and search RD client. Search RD client. And you'll see something like this. This is my app. I already have this app, RD client. So once you get this RD client, the next thing you're going to do is to open it. Open the RD client, right? Now, if I open it, this is my VPS on this place. So if you open your own, it will not be like this. Like it will be like a home. Like it will be empty. Here will be empty. Here will be empty like this. So what you're going to do if you get to this point is to click on this particular plus button. All right. If you click on that plus button, you click on add PC. You see, add a PC. Click on add PC, and this is the page you will see. Now if you come here, you're going to see PC name. This PC name is your IP address. All right. So if you get a VPS has an IP address, a username, and a password. So I don't sell VPS, but if you want to get a VPS, I have a reliable vendor. You can send me a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and I will recommend you my VPS vendor. Okay, it's that simple. So once you get, it's not actually expensive. The VPS I'm using is about $7 to $10 per month, maybe $10 per month. So it's not actually expensive. So if you get it, if you make a payment to the agent or the vendor, he will give you a VPS with a IP address, a username, and a password. So in this particular point here is where you put in your IP address. So if you put in your IP address here, okay, then you click on save. See, you click on the save button right here. Okay, so if you click on the save button right there, then it will bring you back to this particular place that we are. All right, then you click on the space that you see your VPS located. You click on the space like this. All right, you see username and password. See that? Always we have our username to be an administrator. That is the general username. Most VPS has that as the username. An administrator, no space. Remember that there should be no space after the sometimes if you use this your key suggestion, it will add space at the back. Try to clear the space because it might affect your login. Okay, then the next thing, you put your password. Right, at this point, I'll pause the video to put my password. Now I'll put my password. I will now click on continue. All right, if I click on continue, I click on connect. All right, so it's connecting to my VPS. So this is my VPS. This is my VPS. You see that it's like a mobile system. It's a laptop. It has all the features of a laptop. It has all the features of a laptop. Seeing that it has all these windows, these are my MT5 available. If you watch my other video where I talk about how to log into a VPS on your system, you see that I still have this same scene here on uh, my PC that time. So this is just the same VPS I was using. The same thing happening here. So this is the VPS. This is it. So if you log in first time, it will not bring you here. It will bring you to the desktop of your VPS. Okay, so how do you put in your robot to start running? So to put in your robot on this VPS on phone, you need a PC. So from PC you can copy the file of the robot and paste it on your on your desktop of this particular VPS. So once you have put in the robot inside of your VPS, okay, then the next thing is for you to just follow the other rules, the other principles. Open your MT5 inside this VPS, okay, and then go to the file. You can go send to the file just like in the PC. Just go to the file here, you get to data folder, you get to expert, and then you paste your robot the same way you set up your robot on normal system. It's the same way you set up your robot on inside the VPS. They are the same thing. So just copy it and paste. So that is just it, guys. That is just this that's just the things about it. Then to set up your robot here, see the robot here already. This is it here because I've already pasted my robot here. So just the same way, double tap on it, and then it will come up here. Let me just do an example here so you see. This is this. I'll just double tap on that particular robot here. See it here. I'll just do a double tap on it now. Because this is a system, you see that it has a mouse. You see this is a mouse icon. You see that mouse icon. uh to make it easy, you want to change it to touch screen so that you don't need to use this thing. How do you do it? Click on this, click here, this thing that look like that triangle. You click on it, then click on this one too. Click on the touch icon here. All right, then I'll click on the touch icon, and then I'll click on this space here. Now I can use my hand to touch. I can come here and click on this thing, double tap. I can come here and double tap on it. You see that? I can just say yes. If I want to do a settings, I can just click and just say yes. Right now it brings me to the settings of the robot. Now this thing is not showing very clearly, so for me to make it clearly, I can just drag and hold at the top and drag it to where I want it to be. I can hold it and drag. So the same way you can drag on your system with your mouse, the same way you can drag here too. You just hold on to it and drag. I mean the top. Oh, the same way you can hold on your top, the top of your the top from your system and drag it. The same way you can hold here too and drag. So that you drag it into the center so that you can see very clearly. Now, how to put in details here, right? If I want to change anything here, I'll just do a double tap on it, and then I'll click on this keyboard icon here. Here's the keyboard icon to put in details. I will click on the keyboard, then I will see details, things like this. I can now go ahead and change my icon. All right, this is it. Then if you want to change any other thing, just click on it and type it. Then that is what it is. If you are done with your settings, click on this or click there again so that this keyboard will go away. Click on it, it will go away. Then click on OK here, and then double tap on the OK, and you are good to go. That is it. Now to activate your algo trading, if you are trading with the phone and you want to stop the robot from working, just click on this particular place here. It will deactivate it. It will turn to red. Now to activate it, just still click on it again. It will activate it. So this is how the simplest way to use your robot to activate, to put in, to use your phone to actually use a robot or indicator. Okay, you can make your screen landscape. You can turn your screen round to be a landscape. If you want to make it a landscape, like you can change your settings, your phone settings to landscape, so that you can actually rotate your phone and see very clearly. I can turn my phone like this. You see, I can turn my phone to landscape, and then I'm seeing everything like a system. You see that it now look more of a system. You can use it to do it like that, this, and still make yourself That is it, guys. All right. So this is the simplest way. But for those that does not have PC at all and want to get my robot, I can help you and put in the robot on your own VPS. If you buy the VPS, I can help you and put in the robot on a VPS. Then you do the rest of the things. I can still help you and set up the robots, so that your own work is just to log in to log in and see how your work is your stuff is working. All right. If you like this video and you want to get more of this kind of videos, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And remember, this robot is still active and you can still get it now at $50 only. Enjoy.